This video covers installation details of Thermon's FAK2 and FAK2L, elbow splice kit for tubing bundles. Receiving, storing, and handling. Inspect materials for damage incurred during shipping. Report any damages to the carrier for settlement. Identify parts against the packing list to ensure the proper type and quantity have been received. And store in a dry location. Use the supply dimensions for the FAK2 and FAK2L to ensure adequate space is available for proper installation. These are the recommended tools for installation of the FAK2 and FAK2L kits. Individuals installing these products are responsible for complying with all applicable safety and health guidelines. Proper personal protective equipment, or PPE, should be utilized during installation. Contact Thermon if you have any additional questions. Remove approximately 127 mm or 5 inches of the outer jacket and insulation from the tubing bundle. Use caution to not cut or damage the tubing or heat trace. Cut tubing, being careful not to damage or cut the heat trace. For splicing two tubing bundles, heat trace must be spliced. Order the appropriate heat trace splice kit separately. Cut 1/2 inch or 13 mm off ends of tubing and make 90-degree elbow tube fitting connections, provided by others. Wrap tubing and heat trace with 1 pass of heat reflective tape with 25% overlap. Wrap with 3 passes of glass fiber tape with 50% overlap, or until fiber tape is equal to original bundle insulation thickness. Complete with an additional pass of heat reflective tape. Cut the top and bottom splice cover ends to match the outside diameter of the tubing bundle. Form a gasket by applying RTV sealant to the top half of the splice cover and along the radius of the bottom half. Fit the tubing bundle to the splice cover bottom and install the top half. Screw down firmly and inspect the ends of the tubing splice cover for snug fit. Apply additional RTV sealant where needed. Completed FAK2 and FAK2L, elbow splice kit for tubing bundles. For additional information on this product, visit us on the web at thermon.com.